What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, the Game Master. Sorry. Today, guys, we're playing Railroad Crossing for mobile. So, yeah, this is a game. Like, if you guys remember my Railroad Crossing 2 game, it's very similar to this game. However, this game's a lot more different, sort of, because now we got actual crossings with crossbars and stuff. So, yeah. However, before I begin, please make sure to leave a like on this video, and please make sure to stay up to date so you can follow me for more gameplays like this and more playthroughs. So yeah, anyways, here we go. Let's start playing this. Here we go. All right, I guess we'll wait, what? What? Oh, okay, no, that's just. Oh. The second I back out, the second I accidentally hit the back button, it takes me to an ad. Well, it's a good thing we made it a skip button. There we go. Sorry if you guys saw that ad. Anyways, I guess that was the back button. I thought that was the arrow switch. Okay, there we go. Ooh. I guess we got the environment. Well, I guess we're going to this. What? Why does this keep happening? Alright, level 1. Let's do this. I should probably purchase some of these. I should probably purchase no ads on here. I should probably purchase remove ads. But oh well, I actually don't have any money. Instructions: close 10 vehicles in 85 seconds. Click barrier to open and close and avoid crashes. Good luck. Oh, okay. Oh, nice. We actually got these little crossings here. But stop! I'm pressing stop. I'm trying to get the car to stop. What the? Wait, that was bullcrap! It literally told me to press on the barrier to stop the cars and avoid crashes. I was trying to press the gate that was pretty much on the second part, on the other side. See, like, this game wasn't even working. Even though when I tried getting the car to stop, it still wouldn't work. That was weird. Okay, stop! Ooh, that was a close call. Not what that's called. A close call. There we go. Okay. Okay, got a star. Yeah, I got 2 stars. Oh yeah, I'm creating stars. Sorry. Stop! Oh! I got stuck on the car. Wait. Okay, now go. Oh, freak! Oh no! Oh! Stop! Why isn't that? Why does that gate now go down sometimes? That makes no sense. Yay! I completed the level, and I got another ad. All right, let's go on to the next one. I actually got a loading screen. I like how a loading screen looks like. Okay, it's just the same thing. Okay. All right. So if we see a train coming, that means stop the cars. I actually like these crossings. I'm really glad the developer of this game added crossings. I especially like the graphics here. Uh-oh. There's no point stopping now. One car before it passed by. Ooh, that train's carrying freight. Look at that thing. But, I thought it was safe. Gosh dang it, the tractor was going by, and as soon as the tractor crossed the tracks, a train freaking came. Gosh dang it. Okay. Police. Up. For free. Go up, there you go. That's, okay. Nope. Go down, or not. That's okay, we're good now, but I was saying that get you down. Wait, okay, wait, I don't think it's any cars. Yeah, I guess we did. Ooh, that time the train didn't crash the tractor. Why is it not going up? There we go. I hear more trains coming. No! Gosh dang it. Get me out of that, first of all. And second of all, dang it! I had the gate down, but then it opened back up as soon as I tapped on it again. I don't know. I just thought I got nervous or something. I don't know. Okay. Go up. Make that one go up. And now we just gotta wait. Okay. Okay, I don't think it's got. Okay. Oh shoot! Oh! Ah! I tapped on the wrong gate. Freak. Man. Okay, I don't think these gates are working well on this game. They are sort of when I'm about to get started, but I mean, they're not. They're like really not really working. Like, see, look, this one's not even working. What the freak? All right, come on, bro. What? There we go. Okay, so why weren't they working the first time? Oh! Oh shoot! Ah! Come on. Come on, bro. We got this. It's the second level. I'm already dying. Are you getting train crashes here? Oh, there! I got tap on the gate. I was wondering why that wasn't. So maybe the gate is the one I tap on. I think. I think I stand correct. I don't know. Oh god! Ah! Oh god! There's 2 trains. No! Ah! Oh god! That was close. Oh, okay, wow, there was like 2 trains going by. Holy crap! Okay. I really think I missed the camera. Yes. 4 more to go. 3. Oh god, oh god. Oh god, I'm gonna make it! Ooh! Oh! Yes, wait. 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Why does this always keep happening with ads these days? Come on. Okay, here we go. Next level. Finally got past the second one. Jeez. Alright. Cross 12 vehicles in 90 seconds. Click barrier to open. Okay, yeah. So first I got 90 seconds. This is gonna be easy. If I can try to get the gates to go down. Maybe. I don't know. Okay. Oh! Oh, I got that car stopped. Oh, quick, hurry, go by. There you go. Okay. Being smart with this. I'm being smart. Yeah, there we go. I knew that turn would be going by. I knew something was going to be going by too. Oh! Oh! There you go. Okay, there we go. Now it's safe. Okay. Oh, I did it! Oh. No, you know what? We're just gonna watch that together. Oh, wow, that looks like a really sick game. Wow. Alright, so awesome. Featuring zombies and everything. Age of Z. Wow. Alright, here we go. Next level. Let's do this. Alright, I wouldn't bring up another freaking ad. Cross 14 vehicles in 95 seconds. Okay. Okay, I don't know which level this is. I wasn't keeping track, guys. Sorry. I feel like every time we complete a level, the timer seems to go up a bit. Okay. Yep. Stop that car. Oh god, 2 trains totally stopped both. So I put both barriers down. So I both of them can go on their journey. So I didn't crash it here. There we go. We're doing alright so far. Well, we are now. We are clearing the track. Uh-oh. What? What? Wait. That car made it! How'd that count as a wreck? By the way, guys, to let you know, I did make another Blue's Clues How to Draw video today, so I'll provide a link into the description for you guys to go watch it and stuff. And you can also let me know what you think, so yeah. And of course, I also did make another Just Dance video, so, yeah, just to let you know. I'll provide a link in both, to both of my videos, so yeah. Alright, anyways, stop that car, and then, stop that car. I saw it coming. I saw it coming right this way. I knew it was going to be trying to wreck that train. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh. What the? What does that keep happening? Okay, that part shouldn't count for the tractor. I thought he made it. Did the train bump the side of it? I don't understand. It's weird. Okay. Okay, but whatever. Alright. So this car go by. The trains are gonna be coming all along around. Oh, here we go. Looks like that train is really busy with the front load there. Oh, what? Oh, come on! Oh! I was about to say, it just tricked. That's not fair. It tricked me. Either that or maybe another train was really coming. I don't know. Well, I mean, I lost start here. Alright. Stop. There we go. Let's see that going by. Oh god, that's like a lot. I'm sure another train will be coming right about now. Oh, so gross. Oh. Wait, I did what? No, I got wrecked. I think that was a glitch. That was weird. Okay. Cross 14 vehicles in 95 seconds. Easy enough. It's just 14. Oh god, now we got 3 tracks. Oh dear. We're really gonna be careful with this fucking man. Whoa, that guy just might malfunction. Did you guys see that? On that guy. Oh god, yep, this is where stuff goes hardcore. What's going on? Okay, come on. We got this. So, I thought we got 3 tracks this time, right? Come on. Come on, man. Put your boy up to the challenge. Oh, shoot. Okay, yep. See another one. Okay, now you can go, old car. Oh, go down! No! Oh. Okay, I guess that's safe. Okay. That was a close one, though. Oh, jeez. Okay. Lift that one up. That car can go through. Oh, jeez. Little freight train. If this thing go, and then... Dang, 2 trains at one? Dang! This is becoming quick right now. We got this. Look at this. Your boy has already won. Let's go. I get with these ads, dude.
Too difficult to solve math problems? Use the math scan function in our calculator now.
The freak is this? This super calculator solve math by camera? Dude, stop pumping me up with some math stuff I was talking about. It's summertime. School's out. It's summer. Or it's summer vacation. I don't think I need to learn about math again. Unless I have that class next year. Alright. But whatever. So yeah. Yep, stop this car. What? I tempered the gate! The gate somehow doesn't really make any sense to me. Okay, so I think while I'm lightly tapping the gate for it to go down. Maybe that, or it malfunctioned somehow with me. I don't know. It's something. Something I don't know about. Anyways, there we go. We got another train going by. Oh my god, another? Dude! At least that truck will run by safely. Dude, there's like so many! Okay, fine. Just let this one let these trucks go. Okay, this truck's clear, sort of. For now. God, okay, this game's starting to go crazy with me right now. Yep, I knew that car was coming. Oh god, 2 freight trains. Wow. That's something. There we go. God, that's so many cars. Look at this! This is too much! Oh, I did it! Thank goodness I won before that happened. Alright, but that was like really crazy. So many cars. Alright, next level. Let's do this. Cross 18 vehicles in 100 seconds? Totally easy, sucker. I'm the game master. Come on, even especially when I've failed like a lot of games. But that doesn't matter right now. Just gotta get these cars over the track. That's all we gotta do. Look, there we go. Make that one go over. You had plenty of time to come, freaking train. Too easy. Too easy for your boy. Start some time. Dude, there's like a lot of cars going by right now. I mean, like, no joke. Ooh, stop that one. You got it. I got it. Let's go. You're killing it so far. Dude, come on. What the freak? Wait. I think I see what I did wrong. I was lightly tapping it. Again. This is gonna take some time to get used to, really. Alright, come on, we got this, boys. We got this. Just don't tap lightly. It's hard, however, it's hard to, like, not tap lightly, because when you're trying to get the gate down, you are kind of tapping lightly. Ooh, that was a close call. Come on, man. There's like so many trains going by. Oh my god, how many trains, dude? I mean, there's just 3 tracks. They both on me. This game is. Okay, yeah, stop. Okay. So maybe if I let one go at one time, unless the track's clear. I just have to go to beat this level. Just some point, I don't know. Got it. Oh, there you go. Got lucky. But, oh! So now open this barrier, open this barrier. Dang it! No! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Ah! Gosh dang it, man! Okay. Come on! No more games. Let's do this. Let's do it, man. I'm the game master. I should be over this level by now. Whoa! Is that reptiles acid coming out of the friggin' pipes? Uh-oh. Alright, here we go. The chaos now starting to begin. There we go. Uh-oh. Oh, shoot. Okay, that was a good time anyway. Dang it, come on, you... These freaking trains, man, they just go all over the place. They're going nuts, clear. Okay, let's hit to go. Oh, I think we're good. Wait, no, we're not. I see a car coming. Oh, go down! Really goes down at that right time. Or, sorry, I meant, sorry about that. I meant to say it was, really, it goes down at the wrong time when our train is like, right here, like, right now. What? Bro, these gates are broken, man. For real. Like to that one, I kept tapping on the gate. It wouldn't go down. Okay, there we go. Now it went down. The last time, though, just crap off already. Okay, make this car go by. There we go, got a star for that one. Oh. How are you going? Stop here. That's by the rule of the law. Always stop at crossing. I think we're clear. Oh no, we're not clear. Up. Dang it. Well, that was my fault. Alright. There we go. Always start by putting these gates up. Uh-oh. What are we doing with that gate? It's not all the way down. You guys saw that, right? The gate went down and it went like half down. Sorry. Oh god. No! Oh no! I clicked on the wrong gate! Dude, come on, man. Jeez. Let's go! Huh? That's free. What the? What? What the frick was that glitch? Bro, I never encountered that glitch before. You guys saw it, right? It went from 1 to -1, -2, -3, -4, Okay, man, we got this. Come on. I'm not even sure why that last attempt it glitched. I never encountered that glitch before. Turns out never at all during this recording until now. I think it's getting kind of glitchy. I think, honestly. I just saw two cars go into each other and make an orange-blue car. Mixed together with their colors, okay? Well, that's a oh no, I picked it up! Oh! Okay. We got this crap. Uh-oh. Dude, these trains are going nuts, man, my god. This is the same glitch I saw last time, too. A freaking blue car mixing with the orange car. Like, what the freak? Come on, man. Come on, game. Don't just glitch up with me. You were like the #1 game I wanted to put on my channel anyway. Oh god. Oh, close call. Okay, come on, we just gotta get like a few more. We just gotta get like a few more cards to go past, and then we're good. I'm probably in it here for today. Dude, come on! Is that it? Oh god, please tell me that's it. Yes. Let's go! Man, that level was hard. Dang! You know, there's like a lot of levels in this environment. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna continue this game, guys. This game's already gonna be hard, but I know that because by the time I get through this game, it's gonna be hard in both sides sometimes. But at least this game was fun. This was Railroad Crossing, guys. Like I said, I think in my video I'll provide a link to both my videos. One that shows that shows me teaching you guys how to draw a pig. I believe it's for the edition video. And the second one's gonna be a Just Dance video. So yeah, into the description. So yeah, I'll try to provide a link into the description for you guys to go check out those videos. So yeah, please make sure to leave a like on this. So yeah, anyway guys, please make sure to leave a like on this video. Make sure to subscribe to me, and stay up to date for some more gameplay action today. Okay, and also so that you can also become a master too. So yeah, please make sure to leave a like on this video. Make sure to subscribe to me for games like this, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye, and I'm out.